What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to manually create a new WordPress user inside your database using PhpMyAdmin in cPanel. Now, why would you ever need to do this? Well, sometimes you might lose access to your WordPress admin account, or maybe you need to quickly create a new account with administrator privileges but can't log in the usual way. In situations like this, PhpMyAdmin gives you direct control of your WordPress database so you can add a user manually. And this is one of the big advantages of hosting your website with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. You're not just limited to what WordPress itself allows. With tools like PhpMyAdmin, you have back-end access that puts you in complete control. If you're not already hosting with us, I recommend checking us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing your site fast, secure, and reliable. By the way, if you haven't seen our recent video on how to reset WordPress passwords manually using PhpMyAdmin and cPanel, I recommend checking that video out too. Both videos are related, and together they give you a very powerful troubleshooting skill set when it comes to managing WordPress. All right, let's move right into the steps. First, log into your cPanel account. Once inside, scroll down to the database section and click on PhpMyAdmin. On the left-hand side, select the database for your WordPress site. If you're unsure which one it is, no worries, you can confirm the database name by opening the wp-config.php file in your file manager. We'll start by adding our new user details. Click on the table called wp_users. This is where all your user accounts are stored. At the top, click Insert to add a new row. Here is what you'll fill out. ID, you can leave this blank, it will auto-generate for you. User_login, type the username you want, for example, new admin. User_pass, enter the password, but make sure that you've selected MD5 from the dropdown so it is encrypted correctly. User_nice name, this can be the same as your username. User_email, enter the email address for the new account. User_registered, set today's date and time. User_status, leave it at 0. Display_name, this is the name that you want to display publicly on the site. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click go at the bottom to save the new user. But we're not done yet, we also need to give this new user admin privileges. Next, go to the wp_user meta table. At the top, click Insert again to add a new row. For the first row, meta_ID, leave it blank. User_ID, enter the ID number of the user you just created. Meta_key, type wp_capabilities. Meta_value, enter what I put on screen. This gives the user administrative rights. Now for the second row, umeta_ID, leave it blank. User_ID, enter the same ID again. Meta_key, type wp_user_level. Meta value, enter 10. Click go to save both entries. And that really is all there is to it. You have just created a brand new WordPress user with administrator privileges directly through PhpMyAdmin. You can now log into your WordPress dashboard using the new username and password you set. This method is extremely useful if you ever lose your main admin account or need to quickly grant someone else access. And again, this is only possible because cPanel hosting with RackNerd gives you the tools to manage your website at both front and back end. So if you're not already hosting with RackNerd, go check out RackNerd.com. And if you want to learn more tips like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to RackNerd TV and watch our other tutorials on managing WordPress with cPanel. So thank you for watching. I hope this video made things clearer for you. I'll see you in the next one.